现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we're going to bring you the music of Chen Weiru here with a track called Hientoi Ngvongnyo. Now, Ngvongnyo is actually a goddess who patched a hole in the sky, and Weiru wants to draw a parallel with his music on that, how his music can mend people's heart in the way how this goddess fixed the hole in the sky. So why don't we take a listen to this modern-day goddess song called, again, Hientoi Ngvongnyo.
黑牛半盖针织破天地，黑牛半盖子不乾坤，水老风相拥喜干渴，只杯嘅望用叫冲声，黑牛半盖是鬼识了事。黑牛半盖真正走了哟，望用啊望用，强不破灭。水火用，牙口中烟，太痛奔过又拍发盖。
陈伟如的这首现代女娲的灵感是来自于女娲补天的故事，或许大家有听过哦。对陈伟如来说啊，女娲娘娘补天救苍生，而身为音乐人的她，则是要用音乐来疗愈人心，而写出了这首二胡配上摇滚乐的《Hientoi Ngvongnyo》现代女娲。
son古左看眼根创经理，冇美下嘅翻景浪搖了。
What a great clash of erhu and rock music by Chen Weiru. We're going to have more from him on We Love Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.